Bonjour, welcome to Paris. This is our apartment. This is our living room. It's very nice. The bed, pretty good size. The fridge. And a most appreciated coffee maker. This is the bathroom. Really, really nice. And a view of the Saint Francois Xavier Church. It was built between 1869 and 1875 and contains the tomb of Madeleine Sophie Barat, a French Catholic saint who founded the Society of the Sacred Heart. The view is really amazing, can't beat the view. We're going to bed now, and I've just realised we have been awake for 48 hours. Bonsoir! We are at the avenue of Champs-Élysées. There are theatres, cafes and luxury shops, as well as the finish line of the Tour de France cycling race. This avenue was built in 1667, but was not actually named Champs-Élysées until 1709. Bought some stuff. Oh, it's a nice perfume shop. Looks a little posh. Oh, a Sephora. I'm obsessed with Sephora. Let's go in. Now there's an American franchise. Look, famous landmark. Look. So we just had some French food. I had a chicken sandwich and a hot chocolate. It was really divine. And now we're going to the Eiffel Tower. Bonjour everyone. Today we're going somewhere special. Disneyland. We made it to my favourite place in the world. Disney! So we went on a few rides. They weren't too rough, we survived them. And we had some hot meals to have during our walking around. And we got a lot of merchandise. And the weather is quite cloudy but very pleasant. And we've had a good time. Good morning. Today we're going to the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Louvre Museum, where the Mona Lisa painting is. The Notre Dame is indeed beautiful, but it's smaller than I thought. It's not like in the Disney movie where it was colossal and looming over the city. And I found the Eiffel Tower way bigger than I thought. There are still repairs being done on the cathedral from the 2019 fires. The French president said that the cathedral will be complete by 2024. So we made it to the Louvre and I already like this place. Now we're going to look and check out the world history of art. So I've been watching a bit of TV. There's a show on about King Tutankhamun, the Egyptian pharaoh. And it's not bad, it's quite interesting. I like it. French people here in general have been very nice. Polite, helpful, kind, funny. The language difference was a bit of a struggle, I got to admit. But we were treated very normal by the locals, so we felt very welcome here. It really pushes the barriers of multiculturalism. We're taking a taxi to the Charles de Gaulle airport, then onto a plane to London. We are supposed to arrive there by 4:40 p.m. local time. So soon I'm just going to finish my packing.